Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit longer since I uploaded. The reason being I have exams the coming 2 weeks, so it's a bit quieter on the channel. This should be the last exams that I'm having in my life ever, I hope. So when those are done, I can really focus on the channel more. I will have better resources and more time, so yeah, that's a good thing that's coming for us. So today, since I'm short on time, I thought I'd make a video about the exhaust on the car. So, you know, it's got a custom stainless exhaust, and yeah, you haven't really heard it properly yet, because last time when I went on track, I didn't know how to use my microphone yet. I figured it out by now. Yeah, it's a bit strange, but everything works now. So I'm gonna take it out for a spin, mic up the exhaust like this, and also in the cabin so you can hear what it sounds like. And yeah, I'll get back to you in a second.
I need to stop. I've been doing too much, I've been running too fast, I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine, I've been at it all night, I've been feeling so loved. I've been waking up lit, I've been making up shit, I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day, so what?
Guys remember, but I got a separate straight pipe piece to replace the rear silencer with. I haven't put it on yet, it's still right here in the box, this pipe. So I'm first going to do just some pulls with this exhaust, with the mic inside and at the exhaust. Also some drive-bys, because yeah, it's always different when a car is driving by. And then after that I'm gonna change the exhaust and then see how that sounds like, how the difference is. The guy told me it's gonna be a massive difference, that it's gonna be maybe even too loud, so yeah, we'll see how that works. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys the sound of, or let you guys hear the sound. I hope you are too. Alright guys, so I mic'd up the cabin now, or just here, so you can hear what the engine sounds like inside the car. So just see if I can get on here. It's really busy, and we're going to go through a tunnel, so that's always nice. If I ever get a chance to go on the road, at least. Alright. So there's this nice tunnel that actually goes under the runway from Brussels airport. It's not that big, but it goes like this, so you can really get on it. As far as I know, they never, they don't check your speed or something there, I hope. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna do a pull in second gear, not in third, because in third then I'm gonna have way too much speed when I'm coming out the tunnel. Just yeah, I'm always a bit scared to get caught or get a speeding ticket or something. You know, broke student life. So you don't want to have to give your hard-earned money on yeah, something stupid like that. Alright, tunnel is coming up. Gonna slow down a little bit. Put it in second. So it's the first time I'm putting the mic here, so I don't know if there is going to be too much wind noise. Maybe I should close my window all the way. It's fairly hot. Also, I don't know if you can see from this angle, but I finally got to install my hold-fast steering wheel. So I finally went to the guy and we made sure it fits, so the adapter fits. I just have to align it a little bit more, but yeah, I'm loving it. It's a little bit smaller than the M-Tech steering wheel, but yeah, that's nice. Nice and direct steering for as far as an E28 steers directly. Right, so now we're just gonna head home, do a couple more pulls just on the street, if it's not too busy, and yeah, I'd say enjoy the noise. Getting hot in here. Really got me thinking to maybe retrofit AC in my other E28. So much fun. Here we are again. It's the day after. So today, changing out the rear silencer. It should be easy because it's just with the, I forgot the name of the clamp. It's as you can see right here. So yeah, really quick disconnect. So just loosen that. Take this rubber, the hanger out of the rubber, and it should already be off. I can also, you see the end piece with the double pipes. It's also detachable, so I can put this actually on the piece of straight pipe. I'm not gonna do that now. I think I'm just gonna take off the whole thing and run it like that. So I'm gonna do that right now. Meanwhile, I'm keeping a little bit of an eye on the European Championship. Finally some proper drifting to watch. Alright, it's in. Ski just one pipe. Here is the silencer that was under it. So it's not a huge silencer, but I believe it's gonna make a ton of difference with the sound. So as you can see, I just said I can put this on as well, but I'm gonna leave it as is, because I'm pretty sure that this is not going to be nice to drive, and I'm going to be putting this one back rather soon. So yeah, I'm gonna start it up in a second. I'm curious and a bit scared. Right guys, so basically the same thing as yesterday with the normal exhaust. I only did one full pull, like really to redline with the mic at the back, because I'm really scared driving this thing. It's insanely loud. I think if I drive around like this for 10 more minutes and the cops are gonna come or something, it's insane. I don't think, I think everybody that hears this thing from the outside, they're just gonna think I'm a fucking idiot. And I probably am for driving around with an exhaust like this. It's insane. Like, I'm sitting in front of the exhaust and the sound is so overwhelming, so I can't even imagine what it's gotta be like on the outside. So I'm just going to do a little bit more driving like this, but really not a lot, because I'm scared. Yeah, I'm just... The cops in the net. Yeah, I don't even know if I can still talk. It's like... Here, this is a nice and deep sounds like a V8 a little bit, but the moment you get on it, it is absolutely insane. It's ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. So I'm just gonna drive up and down here. I mean, what the fuck? Does get a very yeah, on top the sound is not nice anymore. It's like really yeah, the pitch of the sound is too high, I guess, and it's not like the deep growl anymore. But yeah, it's insane. I'm really scared driving this thing around like this. It just, yeah, it sounds like a weapon. 2,000 RPM. 3,000 RPM. That was not even 4,000 RPM, and the thing is just screaming. And it backfires a lot now. That's nice, but yeah, people are gonna get mad, especially here, because a lot of sad people around here. Just listen to this thing. It's like, yeah, I have no words for it. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep this exhaust like this. It's just, I'm gonna screw myself over. I'm pretty damn sure. This is just insane. If you didn't know that already by now. I like it though. But yeah. Poor neighbors. Right guys, so there we have it. This is gonna be the video for this week. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was an eye-opener for me. Because yeah. Holy fuck. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I've already talked about that I was going to do an M50 swap, a complete guide. Not like what I've done right now, but a video that covers everything from really A to Z. And after my exams, that video is gonna come up, and that should really be a good one. So I hope you're looking forward to that. Then yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.